We want to say thank you to all our friends and families from all of us here at Moix Companies. We have so much to be thankful for this year. Not to boast, but I think we have the best customers anybody could ever ask for. We always have a blast at our Moix campouts, fellowshipping and making memories with our ever-growing family. We strive to do the best for you, both before and after the sale. We have just put in a brand new 20-bay state-of-the-art service facility. We'll do all of our deliveries out of it. You guys are going to absolutely love this place. And let's not forget about our new stores. We have one here in Conway called Toad Suck Station. We also have another one up in Springdale. It's Moix McGaw Outpost. And let's not forget about our toy store. If you guys ever want a four-wheeler or whatever you can possibly think of, these guys have it. We hope to always be the first place that comes to mind when you're thinking about your family's adventures. If we can ever help you, we're always here. We'll do our best to do everything we can for you. We hope to see you soon.